shift our focus to matters business. My name is Kelvin Nyakundi. Now, more than 300 Kenyan marine engineering graduates remain unemployed as a lack of mandatory sea-time training continues to lock them out of professional certification and jobs in the maritime sector. Now, the Kenya Maritime Authority is turning to private sector partnerships to expand on-board training opportunities in a move aimed at easing a key skills bottleneck and supporting workforce development in the country's rather growing blue economy.
We are also visiting other shipping agents, shipping lines, logistics companies, and also connecting them to the training institutions so that we can have the students who graduate be able to attain the necessary experience within the industry.
We build a quality succession plan for future leaders in the maritime sector. So we have to blend the academia with practical know-how, and that's where we come in. We come in through the practical, into the trenches, you get. So that's where we come in, that's where we step up. And we are actually optimistic.